you think the aviation sector needs a retooling, and the talks about the presidential jet? Do we need a new one?
I will leave those matters for the investigative board that the president had.
Right. Ebusiafo nyame share bibia. Me din no Gopo artist. Mesrɛ say ube subscribe to the channel no. Aha, ayen Ghana Nsɛm TV. Feel free na mfa comment no bra. Nyame share bibia. Ebusiafo, the NDC as a party no, and they are finding every means to justify nkosasɛm na omudi Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fame. And then the NDC check bibia just to justify nkosasɛm na omudi ye. Especially Honorable Ablakwa. Okudzeto Ablakwa, Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa. And do I be say siana niyama na echo plane out of form near the adeno. Or who say, is it the right time Ayebeka say the government should go in for a new private jet? And I say president, and I say vice president to choir. Is it the right time say you better make say okay say be a problem no your airlines no mean uncle chat plane and or say right now only shaken, so they have to leave or ja asemnama expert. Banyebia Okudzeto Ablakwa, were you an expert in 2024? Were you an expert in 2020? Time now, Udi Nanado Ding, sir, Busafo, Makuma Mahmoud Yenko share the video number. Na yeba yebe to aso.
Honorable Samuel Sapon, the Honorable Monero Lemona, Samuel Abuaje, and the crew, all 8 of our gallant compatriots, did not deserve this, and nobody, no human being deserves what they have gone through. It's still difficult to take, really.
With what has happened, do you think the aviation sector needs a retooling, and the talks about the presidential jet? Do we need a new one?
I will leave those matters for the investigative board that the president has commissioned to look into this tragedy. They should come up with their recommendations, and I'm sure they will come to us in cabinet and in parliament.
All right, Ebusiafo. Video na stream. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa, today you are telling us that we should leave this issue to the investigation board. Anyebia Honorable Ablakwa, sa time na Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo was no. Sa time no. Now we don't have investigative board, and I say we don't have people that advise the president on aviation. Inti wuna debia utna TV su, any radio su, catch Ghana for say this and this inti plane ukra wunim hubi ukra washa bibie fa hu inti plane has then was plane what 3 engine inti se bakukra esia bakukra sia the plane can still depend on the other 2. These were what you were telling Ghanaians. These were the poisoner. You were poisoning Ghanaians against the party then. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You were poisoning the people against them. But today, you are using different words to justify some will cause some times ago. Mr. Okudzeto Ablakwa, you should be ashamed of yourself for putting the life of the former president in danger. Abraham said, there were problems. Nyamine betua muka baku. Ebusiafo, omaye kwhwe abaprat onoso die woka. Yem kwhwe bra. Na yeba, yebetua so. Nyame shara bibia.
Akwa yare. Abna wo mame me wo mame. Wo mame fom penifo mo abrabom se dem so me obiye. Mama te he last year mama yare pa papa so yare pa.
Uchata play man.
Onya aboy private individual. Onye o mining nyina dia. We your mining nyina, this is a vice president and you be home. Insi no we dem so me bisa abnantin ka onye den anka omra.
But was that the only option?
Debbie, young can ye.
Maybe say was that the only option? Say you better chat private jet man so on family.
Me see hey, me yes sure see a chat private jet.
Into flight ben or the buy.
You see, I can make what put the ankasan come we put the kites. Absolutely irrelevant. And cash the trust say until we can prove say Bonnie biat and then I'm beside say in every communication no yes solve a problem being in your boss uncommon. Me see me problem I they solve
problem nana the cost involved, the taxpayers money involved there. Ye de efa a whole flight. Emma ye ma Mr. Womra ebia.
Me nim such a flights no they buy.
Into a flight ben no they buy.
Say dia me hu ye no dia won susu hu ye na ye hu ye no. A friend is saying a flight a be see yeah what do you call it? The way to quite the BA.
Why?
Drive yeah mammy private travel arrangements I am money the BA no be na who say you know she had come in mean to me interest say you ko chata kind of saying private jet near any buy. I am being very reluctant, you know, and
is it a case of me too.
And your information beyond me better have kind of sorry I also have, you know, there's responsible communication. They meet me actually say at the end of the day, the vice president of this republic, Ayari. Ewiase na ewo mu no ye nyina yanka obi nyare ye nyina yanka se dia ya hoɔden ti free si ye wo yen sa hoɔden na nke di benya kwa kodru yare po de onim akwalo onim peni onim abobo onim obia etimi tu obia at any moment de bia meka wo na man pae keke na wo bom pae because wo nim de ekoso wo nim de ekoso ochina de beto na se wa yare na nyame aye adom na ne ho ato na sa komo we de na me mpopo sa anko kasa yi na afi yan komo ne se eba ne se ne de na to plane so de na bantin ka enye de ne fa ne ma
so ba na ne ho ato na
abnantin ka enye de ne fa ne ma
okay ama mame na se ene ebra wanya de mame anopa bibi wod ma be kan twa to a
ai de make twa to
but for we Kwame Pratt ne ba ama Pratt nti mu nyina na mu nim se anka ade we nyina na enye problem say president echo baby we have to charter some jet for the president for his safety but mu dia ye politics and then ababusono you people are saying say enye she anka yemfa truck they be fa truck na mu fa mbra mu ko fa truck na mu fa the vice president no to so na mu fa mbra say we be say anka and then I say mu di fa mbra and that year now it's not taxpayers money. And today it's not taxpayers money. It's mu beside say anka and then I say yemfa mbra mu fa truck aboboya nkofa aboboya na mumfa de mbra. You knew all these things, but you people were poisoning the people in this country against Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the president. And then we see, and this is a vice president too. Now the president of the land that time there. Now Tom Dokunu until no chata plane na enye. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo or Tom Kube. Iti ono de ko chata plane na enye. Me see, she enye bibia na o say ye fanya politics. Enye bibia na be dey politics, na be dey politics. No, you poison the minds of people against obia wanye she. But you people are doing the same thing. So what is the change? Abusia fonya me shira bibia. Ye be san shia.